By the end of this video, you will feel confident using this book to spark your child's curiosity. Here's what makes this book special. It's not about just learning facts, it's about creating connections. In week 1, we help your child understand their body through storytelling, movement, counting, and art. Every activity builds a layer of understanding like pieces of a puzzle coming together. Whether you're homeschooling, supplemental schooling, or just sneaking in some quality time, this book adapts to your life. Okay, I'm going to start with lesson 1, parts of our body, with this poem. Okay, so there's this poem. Your hands are for high fives. Your arms can hug tight. Your fingers can touch. And your eyes give you sight. Your knees are for bending. Your legs thick and stomp. Your feet tap the beat. And your teeth, they go chomp. Your belly, your stomach, your tummy, the same. Your body has parts, each one you can name. They all work together to make all of you learn all your parts, and that they can do. This is where the fun begins. The poem introduces body parts in a playful, rhythmic way. Let your child move along, high-five, stomp their feet, or hug themselves as you read. Make it interactive. Ask, what body parts did you hear about? What's their job? This sparks curiosity and builds vocabulary. Use the body part, print out, and connect to their own body. So there's this nice photograph here, and then there are some body part printouts. So advanced body parts, all of these. Point to a part on the printout and have your child find it for themselves. Can they wiggle their toes or bend their knees? Make it physical. It helps the lesson stick. Encourage acting out. For example, your eyes give you sight. What do you see? Your hands are for high fives. Can we count how many fingers we use in high fives? Now there's math that's made fun. Use the body part cards, lay out 10 cards and count body parts together. Then sort them into groups. How many do we have? 1 of, 2, more than 2. This turns counting into a real world activity. Build a challenge. Can they match body parts to their jobs or guess how many letters are in the name using their fingers? These little games make math approachable. Creative name activity. Highlight the personalization. Now we connect their body to their identity. Write their name in big dotted letters on a poster and let them trace each one with a new color. Add an artistic twist. Encourage them to decorate their name with stickers or drawings of things they love, like dinosaurs, flowers, stars. It's more than writing, it's about self-expression. And here's 3 bonus tips for you from one parent teacher to another. Encourage flexibility. Not every activity needs to be perfect. If your child loves the poem, spend more time acting it out. If you're into numbers, add a counting game. This book is your guide, not a rigid script. Integrate learning. You can expand on the lesson by comparing human body parts to animals using the Venn diagram activity, or doing a simple science experiment like measuring your child's arm with string and comparing it to yours. Celebrate the progress. Remember to write down little observations about what they are learning. You'll be amazed at how much they grow by the end of the week. And just like that, you've transformed a single lesson into a full learning experience. By exploring their body, your child is building skills in reading, math, science, and creativity. That's the magic of hands-on learning. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a fellow parent, and subscribe for more tips and walkthroughs. Don't forget, you can grab your free sample of Me and My World Unit 1 at the Brings Joy Learning website. Thank you for trusting me to be a part of your child's learning journey. Keep having fun, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.